Welcome to Studio House Design, your cozy corner for timeless home inspiration. We dive into classic and elegant styles, sharing ideas that turn houses into warm, welcoming homes. Join us for beautiful visuals and heartfelt design stories that make every space feel just right. The entrance foyer sets the tone with polished oak floors under soft daylight. Cream walls with crown molding feel welcoming and refined. A sleek console highlights fresh winter greens, bringing calm and warmth. The sunlight spills through tall sash windows framed in black, making everything glow. High ceilings add grandeur without overpowering. The space feels honest and inviting. Every detail whispers quiet elegance. It's a graceful start that feels like home the moment you step in. Natural textures and subtle reflection create a cozy, stylish welcome. Light and calm flow effortlessly here. No clutter, just warmth and grace. The formal living room speaks classic comfort with plush ivory sofas and velvet armchairs. Oak flooring shines warmly under winter sunlight through the sweeping black-framed windows. Cream paneling and crown molding add refined charm, while a garland on the marble fireplace feels festive yet understated. The atmosphere invites you to linger, wrapped in soft textiles and simple luxury. Light plays on crystal vases and polished brass with a quiet shimmer. It's a perfect blend of tradition and warmth. The high ceiling and plaster detailing give the room a balanced grandeur. Airy, calm, and ready for gatherings. In the family room, comfort rules with the soft sectional and cozy cashmere pillows. The oak floors remain consistent, glowing under the natural light streaming in through large sash windows. Cream-paneled walls with crown trim add familiar warmth. Muted sage rugs anchor the space, creating an inviting nest for relaxing or watching TV. Open shelving holds books and baskets, pairing function with charm. The high ceiling's plaster medallion adds character without fuss. It's a room made for family moments, casual yet polished. Every item feels chosen to make life easier and more beautiful in one space. The dining area glimmers with natural light on polished oak floors. The long mahogany table is set with fine china and silver touches, ready for a winter feast. Cream walls with subtle paneling and crown molding create an airy backdrop. Black sash windows frame the soft sunlight, while a sparkling crystal chandelier hangs overhead, casting delicate shadows. Velvet chairs add rich texture and comfort. The space balances formality and warmth perfectly, inviting conversations and shared memories. It feels timeless, classic, and welcoming. The room is alive with the promise of good food and laughter, bright and elegant in daylight. The kitchen shines with marble island tops and shaker cabinets in soft ivory. Polished oak floors reflect natural winter sunlight through garden view windows. Details like brass pulls and open shelving display ceramics and fresh herbs, blending practicality and beauty. The farmhouse sink and wooden accents add casual charm. Cream panel walls and crown molding keep the look cohesive and classic. High ceilings with plaster medallion let light dance freely. It's a space designed for handiwork and hospitality, vibrant yet serene. Every angle feels inviting. Modern meets tradition in perfect balance for daily life and special meals. The butler's pantry feels cozy and organized with gleaming marble counters and ivory cabinetry. Natural winter light streams through black-framed sash windows, illuminating brass fixtures and glass front shelves. Open-wood shelving holds neat rows of cups, coffee beans, and silver accessories. The soft cream-paneled walls and crown molding keep it elegant and consistent with the home's style. A small espresso machine sits ready, while evergreen sprigs add warmth. This is a functional nook designed for smooth prep work with a welcoming touch. Streamlined and pretty, it balances utility and charm effortlessly in daylight. The master bedroom wraps softly with cream-paneled walls and polished oak floors glowing under gentle winter sunlight. Black-framed tall windows bring in serene views. The upholstered sleigh bed in ivory velvet anchors the space, layered with linen and cashmere throws for texture. Nightstands hold crystal lamps and books, adding a personal touch. High ceilings with plaster medallions give a graceful lift without coldness. The room feels tranquil and grounding, like a quiet refuge. Details are subtle yet intentional, creating a cozy sanctuary. It's elegant and warm, a perfect balance of comfort and classic style bathed in daylight. The walk-in closet is a tidy haven with built-in walnut wardrobes gleaming against cream-paneled walls. Polished oak floors continue seamlessly, lit by natural winter sunlight through sash windows framed in black. Marble-topped central island holds elegant jewelry trays and perfumes. Brass pulls and velvet ottoman add luxe touches. Every item has a place from neatly folded linens to cashmere sweaters. High ceilings with plaster medallion add draftsmanship finesse. Lavender sachets bring a whisper of scent, softening the space. This organized nook feels like a boutique, calm, refreshing, and bright. Practical beauty meets timeless style in every corner. The master bathroom vanity area exudes quiet luxury with double marble basins and brass faucets. Cream-paneled walls and polished oak floors unify the space, glowing in natural winter sunlight through sash windows. Beveled mirrors and apothecary jars with spa essentials add delicate charm. Eucalyptus sprigs bring freshness, and linen towels stack neatly nearby. The high ceiling with plaster medallion conveys grandeur subtly. It's a serene spot for daily routines, designed with elegance and calm focus. Marble countertop details catch the light gently, making the space both inviting and sophisticated. Effortless style filled with natural glow. The kids' bedroom is bright and cheerful with polished oak floors gleaming in winter sunlight. Cream-paneled walls keep the classic shell, while twin beds dress in crisp white linens and soft plaid quilts. Black-framed windows offer views and daylight to energize play and rest. A shared nightstand holds storybooks and a globe, sparking imagination. Wooden toy chest and whimsical touches balance fun with style. High ceilings with plaster medallion keep the architecture consistent and airy. The room feels safe, cozy, and inviting for little memories and quiet moments, perfectly blending tradition with warmth and light. Guest bedroom invites restful comfort with polished oak floors gleaming under natural daylight pouring through black-framed sash windows. Soft cream-paneled walls and classic crown molding frame a queen canopy bed draped in linen and wool, layered for warmth. Nightstands showcase fresh flowers and gentle reading lamps that catch the morning light. Wingback chair rests quietly with a plush throw. Botanical artwork rounds the inviting mood. High ceilings with plaster medallion add a generous overhead presence without heaviness. This neutral haven balances elegance with homey ease. A welcoming retreat for visitors soaked in natural winter glow. The home office library blends focus with charm under natural winter sun filtering through black-framed sash windows. Walnut bookshelves filled with leather-bound volumes line cream-paneled walls. Polished oak floors gleam consistently beneath a mahogany desk with classic brass lamp and leather blotter. A wing chair draped with plaid invites relaxed reading. Globe and bar cart bring subtle sophistication. Crown molding complements high ceilings with plaster medallion, maintaining architectural harmony. This room balances work life and comfort beautifully with warmth and refinement. The natural light enlivens every surface, sparking inspiration in a quiet, stylish setting. The backyard terrace extends indoor elegance outdoors with polished oak flooring blending smoothly into stone pavers. Cream paneling continues outside under a high gabled roofline. Sash windows framed in black greet fresh sunshine. Wrought iron furniture with plush cushions arranged around stone fireplace invites quiet conversations or winter morning coffee. Potted topiaries and soft throws enhance warmth and texture. This outdoor room connects seamlessly with the house's refined style, while embracing nature's light and air. The terrace invites relaxation, a gracious extension of the home filled with natural winter brightness and elegant rustic charm. The backyard garden blooms with winter greenery alive under the soft natural light highlighting cream-paneled walls and black-framed sash windows of the house beyond. Stone paths curve gently through manicured beds of delicate evergreens, hellebores, and berry-laden shrubs. A central fountain bubbles quietly amid teak benches inviting serenity. White picket fence frames the scene, blending traditional charm with fresh life. This outdoor sanctuary feels calm and hopeful, an organic extension of the home's classic, elegant style. Light and shadow dance over textures, crafting a peaceful retreat for gentle moments in nature. Thanks for spending time with Studio House Design. We hope you found inspiration in timeless elegance and cozy charm for your dream home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you and can't wait to help create your perfect space.